we're going to be talking about all the information that's contained in these schedules, which isn't just what you see on the sheets. So in order to make schedules, universal schedules that could be used by all firms across the country, we had to include every possible piece of information because firm A may want to show that piece of data and firm B may not. So we've selectively chosen what's showing to start, and then you as your firm can review, and if you want to show more content, you definitely can. So I have this M600 HVAC schedule sheet open. This essentially has our master schedule placed, and the master schedule has every parameter shown in this given view. So you guys can see all the, I guess get a taste of a lot of the hidden parameters. So if we looked at the fans, okay, so here's our fan group. Everything from ID description, quantity type, all the pressures available, blade speeds, wheel speeds, a whole bunch of stuff, brake power. So all of this, if a given piece of equipment has a fan, you're going to see basically 98% of these parameters there, which you can choose to show or not show. So let's talk about how you would update that. So if we look at, let's look at our energy recovery unit schedule. So let's look at the fans. So we're scheduling, the design airflow, a minimum airflow, which maybe we don't need to show, external and total static pressure, and then we've got the fan motor information. So let's say, for example, we want to show brake horsepower and some other properties. You can just edit the schedule. You can go to formatting. And then if we go down to fan, we can see fan brake power. We could also turn on fan rotation and fan class. And then you just hit OK. And as you guys will see, everything will fall nicely in the grouping that's already been done. And you shouldn't have to mess with the groups. So one item to note about groups is if your firm wants to change the sequence of the shared parameters, you can do that under a group and not mess up the group. So for example, if we wanted to move brake power in front of class, we can just update that. So let's scroll down. So here's fan brake power. Let's move that in front of fan class. So you can shift these around and change the order without affecting the groups. However, if you move a parameter that has another subgroup, that will affect the grouping. So you might have some cleanup to do there. So hopefully these schedules are flexible enough for you guys that you can use them, that you can use the shared parameters and make them look and feel how you want them to look and feel.